Welcome to our third episode of Meghalaya series. Today we are going to visit the beautiful KRANG SURI and Phe Phe Waterfalls, which is located in West Jaintia Hills district. It is 80 kilometers from Shillong and takes around 2.5 hours. We stopped for a quick breakfast and then continued our journey to Phe Phe Falls. After traveling for around 76 kilometers on national highways, we took a diversion for Phe Phe Falls. As the road conditions were not good, we parked our car near Shnongpdeng resort and started our trek to Phe Phe Falls. If your vehicle has good ground clearance, then you can ride up to the point where the descent for the waterfall begins. After walking for around half an hour, we caught the first glimpse of Phe Phe Falls and a panoramic view of the entire valley. We then started our descent for the waterfall. The location of the waterfall makes it a thrilling adventure. Hello, today we are going to Phe Phe Falls. So after a trek of around 1.5 kilometers and after that we climbed down these steps. So we are quite close to the Phe Phe Falls now. Descending a steep hill through the shrub bamboo plants, the sight of the waterfall in the backdrop of the blue sky is a sight to behold. Hey, so we've now reached Phe Phe Falls.
Oh, so beautiful.
Phe Phe in Jaintia translates to paradise, and believe us, it will actually make you feel as though you are in paradise. The waterfall has its own charm and essence. The water is as blue as the sky, clean, transparent, and magical. Phe Phe is the most beautiful waterfall that we have seen till now. You must definitely visit this waterfall in your Meghalaya trip. We spent around 2 hours at Phe Phe Falls, mesmerized by its beauty. Then we set out for our next stop, which is KRANG SURI Waterfalls. After reaching the town of Amlarem, you have to exit the main highway and follow the unpaved road. It is around 13 kilometers from Phe Phe Waterfalls. There is an entry fee of Rs 50 per person and parking charges is also Rs 50 per vehicle. KRANG SURI is one of the most popular and exotic waterfalls of Meghalaya. Compared to the cliff-hugging plunge falls, KRANG SURI waterfall features a different aesthetic. A placid river suddenly drops, creating a curtain of flowing water that falls over a cave. KRANG SURI is blessed with shimmering blue waters and sparkling sunlight. This heady mixture of nature sometimes creates a rainbow. It is truly a magical pool in nature's wonderland. We then continued our journey to Shnongpdeng, where we will be camping for the night. By the time we reached our camp, it was already dark. The warmth of the bonfire on a cold, windy night alongside the river felt heavenly. We then enjoyed a delicious dinner around the bonfire. The tents are quite cozy and can easily accommodate 2 people. Tomorrow morning we'll be doing some water activities in Shnongpdeng and then we'll be visiting the famous Dauki river.